And in just a couple of hours, Governor Gretchen Whitmer will deliver her third State of the State address. And like so much of the past year, this one will be very different. It is a virtual address.
And it comes at an inflection point for our state as we navigate through the pandemic. Ahead of tonight's address, we're taking a look at the current state of our state, the state of the economy, our schools, and the state of the pandemic.
The governor's address comes as the state announces 1,600 new coronavirus infections and 6 additional deaths. Right now, there are nearly 124,000 active cases of COVID-19 in Michigan.
Meantime, the number of vaccinations in the state is slowly increasing. As of yesterday, more than 802,000 doses have been administered, with nearly 1.5 million vaccines distributed.
7 Action News reporter Brian Abel has the state of the fight against COVID-19 and the role in the governor's speech. Brian.
Curveball no one saw coming.
I've signed an executive order declaring a state of emergency.
The coronavirus upending nearly everything in our daily lives. How we work, how we eat, how our children go to school. The decisions by state leaders to address the virus turned into a toxic flashpoint, climaxing with an alleged plot to kidnap and kill Michigan's governor.
This ended up becoming a political football.
10 months later, and the pandemic still rages on. The death toll in Michigan, over 12,000 and climbing. The state's largest health system still strained.
We are simultaneously taking care of a lot of COVID patients, again, worried about the new variants of COVID that may be coming out and present in our populations, but also trying to get adequate vaccine supply.
Improvements are being realized as the state continues to adapt, and bars and restaurants are on the brink of restricted dine-in reopening again.
We have made huge progress. I mean, if you look at those national maps, Michigan looks a whole lot better than the rest of the country.
Yet the more contagious UK variant of the virus confirmed in at least 2 counties, while the exit from the pandemic highway, the vaccine, in short supply.
It goes through 2 carburetors. The first one is the federal government gets their production every week of what Moderna, Pfizer, and soon J&J can provide them. And they distribute it to 50 cylinders, if you will, across the United States. And then we here in Michigan get our allocation. This data is opaque to us. We can't see what's going on. We can't plan 2 or 3 weeks out, and therefore we can't do the kind of appointments we'd like to do.
Brian Abel joining us now. And Brian, we know that the vaccine is being distributed all across Michigan. Health officials say that's important that we get the vaccine if we can. So if the vaccine is the pathway out of this pandemic, then what is standing in the way?
Well, Governor Whitmer, in a budget proposal, proposed millions of dollars, hundreds of millions of dollars to help this process out, along with some federal funding as well. But that is up to the approval of the legislature. And then, of course, what happens in Washington with a new administration also affects that process here. Alan?
And of course, we will be paying close attention to what the governor says tonight at the State of the State address. Brian, thank you. And remember, you can watch the entire State of the State address tonight at 7 right here on Channel 7. Of course, we have it on our website as well, WXYZ.com, on our Facebook page, and on any of your streaming devices. Glenda?
All right, Alan.